It's an age-old story. Boy meets girl, boy and girl start dating, boy gets their DNA tested to see if they're compatible. This trend has begun in online dating, stemming from the theory that people might be attracted to each other based on genetics because of the body's desire to produce healthy children.
Our immune system, or at least a lot of the genetic bits and pieces of it, produce all these proteins. And what you would like to do is have something that is highly variable. Because the more different types of proteins you can glue together to recognize the bad guys in your body, the better. So consequently, if one is looking, quote, not consciously, mind you, but would like a mate to optimize the immune system of kids, it's a good idea to get somebody who's different than you.
Websites like scientificmatch.com, Gene Partner, and DNA Dating Coach boast that subscribing to them will give you a better chance at a happy relationship because genetics are part of physical attraction or chemistry with a partner. They're saying all I have to do is take a swab from my mouth like this, send it off to a lab, and in a few weeks I might have my perfect match. But experts are skeptical that science can really make for better relationships.
Our knowledge of how genes influence behavior is rudimentary, especially in humans. And even if we did have a full understanding of the genetics behind behavior, we do have a large environmental component to the way we behave and the way we act.
There's so many other things that go into relationships, just like communication styles, people's attachment styles, personality traits.
And then there's also the issue of romance and mystery in a new relationship that could be lessened.
It takes away the fun of asking somebody out, and like going out and really not knowing the person, but if you talk to them beforehand, and you're looking for the same thing, it takes away some of the fun, I would say.
Well, my parents took a compatibility test or whatever before they got married. They'd been dating for 7 years before they got married and all that. And it almost made my mom not want to marry him because they weren't supposed to be compatible. And now they've been together for 25 years.
So the overall consensus from the experts and students? A relationship is not something that can be examined in a test tube. Amanda Blackwell, News Team Boulder.